603 Armstrong, entering from the back door. This is the new kitchen. All new shakers, new microwave, and these are all in 2019, last June 2019. New dishwasher, new sink. These are quartz countertops, tile floors, new stove, new backsplash, and clearly this is the kitchen. And if you were to enter from the front, there's a new porch deck out here that was done in 2018. Good storm doors. Oh, I put new screen doors in as well. These are the ones that have the half, they lock, and the screens. It's got a half screen. All right, and locks back up. I put new interior doors. They're the 3-panel interior doors. Oops, can you see it? Can't get back far enough. All hardwood floors. It's been several years since I've refinished these, but they're in really good condition. And this is the living room. Gray walls. Yeah, I'm going to finish that. She just moved out and left me some holes. But other than that, that'll be all finished off here because it was just repainted last October. Everything in here was repainted. I put some new blinds in, not all new blinds. And these are the bedrooms. Again, these are the new doors. Believe it or not, this is a gray color. It looks a little bluish simply because I think of the yellow tones in the floor. Again, really nice hardwood floors in here. Newer blinds in here as well. Closet. Kind of cool closets. They're nice and deep, so there's lots of room in there. But they're real deep closets. They're nice size closets. You know. And same thing here. Oops. And this is the other bedroom here. Again, this has the new door on it, new knobs. Again, this is supposed to be a grayish color, but again, I think it's just the yellowing in the floors, the yellow tone. In the hallway, the 2 new doors. This door goes upstairs. This door goes into the bathroom, and this is a closet door. And it goes into the closet. Nice little, and then into the bathroom. Oop. There we go. Now it looks, everything is like zoomed in for some reason. I don't know why. Nice pedestal sink. This has a brand new toilet in 2018, I believe. And nice storage in here. Oops, can't see the lighting. This has a newer vent as well. And then upstairs, the carpet was new probably about 5 years ago. I don't know, maybe 4, 5, 6 years ago. Upstairs, had this all finished off up here, and it goes all the way through, and we had heat added up here. So this is the only electric heat in the house, is this right here. Otherwise it's gas forced air. And I do have a register, a forced air register up here in this room. And it's a nice size up here. Many walls here are, let's see, shoulder, little less than shoulder height, probably 4 feet. 4 feet, maybe? I don't know, something like that. Close. There you go.